Good afternoon, everyone on YouTube. Freebase here. Here to talk about our watch list and just give you a quick update on what we're looking at. And if you can, please like, subscribe, and follow us on all networks, platforms at Freebase. Here's a link we're about to put in our chat room here, live chat. Just want to click on the live chat button. Here's a link to the watch list. We post it every day before the market opens, so definitely hop in there and don't miss out. So start off with the SPY. We had more all-time highs this morning before the market sold off. SPY hit a high of 270.65 and then started to kind of sell off here. Joe Biden was talking, but there was some positive economic data that came out this morning in regards to jobs. So the market is still rallying, still moving. There was, kind of a spike in the VIX, which is the volatility index, but all in all, it was a nice bounce. We technically closed under VWAP, but there is, we're kind of at the peak here, and there is some downside pressure in the markets right now. But we're going to continue to play the volatility as we move forward, like always. And we do have plans and strategies to play either direction. So no worries, just stick with us. Let us know if you have any questions. We can review your portfolio or any potential trades you're looking at in our chat room on Discord. So again, click that link. We'll also have a link in the comment section so that you guys can not miss out and we'll help as much as possible. So let's jump over to some of the tickers that we were looking at and traded today. Lyft was one of the ones on our watch list. We had this breakout and continuation setup here. Hit the high of $54, so that was great. You have this level here that we had charted exactly at 54.80 is what we're looking for next on Lyft. So we're going to keep monitoring that and just play the price action as we go here. But definitely good reaction on Lyft. It's kind of following the news on Uber. Uber had earnings yesterday, and they had a pretty nice reaction to that. The CEO of Uber is talking about how October was the best month ever for them. They're recovering pretty steadily, so Lyft is a sympathy to that, and the chart looks pretty good. And so we're looking for some continuation out of that into next week. All right, next we have Lucid, another one on our watch list today. Squeezing after hours, so beautiful bounce off of the $36 level. So it didn't quite break down, broke out, had a nice move over $40 and squeezed into after hours with a high of 42.43. So LCID is definitely continuing to move up. We have a target now that's breaking out of 44.81, but we'll again continue to play the price action as we see fit, and we're heading into earnings here in just a couple days. So we just want to kind of be cautious around that, and again, just play this as it goes. Next, we have AOSL, which is Alpha and Omega. They're a semiconductor. We went long out at the open at around $40. I broke out at a high of 42.97. The all-time high is at $43, so that's what we were looking for, the break of that. It ended up kind of selling off with the market midday. We took some profit and then re-entered the trade on the way back up over VWAP, and there's a couple price targets on this. So again, just shoot us a message in our chat room, and we'll get into details as far as what our price target is on that and why. But AOSL, one of the catalysts is that it's a sympathy to NVIDIA as well as AMD that are hitting all-time highs as the semiconductor shortage is going to kind of cause pressure in the market, pricing, things of that nature. So again, shoot us a message in our chat room, and we'll be happy to go into more detail. Next, we have MRIN, which was on our watch list yesterday, had earnings last night, and had a massive breakout this afternoon, and it hit in after hours $8.48. So we'll be looking for a continuation out of MRIN. I mean, the after hour session isn't even over yet, but the next level on this is around $10. But again, just shoot us a message, and we'll set up a kind of a more detailed strategy around what we're looking for out of MRIN, but something that we've been trading for a while. So we're pretty excited about this move today. Next, we have QCOM. Did exactly as we expected, continued, broke out over the 168 level. So massive breakout to new all-time highs. We have somewhat of a flag forming into the close, so there still is some upside room here. However, with the all-time highs, you typically see some profit taking, which kind of started. So we'll pay attention to that as we move forward throughout next week, and we'll follow the market and play that as we see fit. But Qualcomm was definitely a nice move. Again, did exactly what we were looking for. Next, GREE. This is formerly support.com. We talked about this a few times. Had massive breakout today, and there's a new price target of $75 on this from Seeking Alpha, which caused this crazy spike. So we're going to be having this on watch over the next couple weeks. There's earnings coming up soon, so we'll play that volatility and then look for some more entry points to trade as we move forward on GREE. Next, we had a nice call from Groupon. Groupon is had decent reaction to earnings. It's been pretty beat up, so we're looking for some continuation to the upside on Groupon fairly soon. That's GRPN. And just to talk about a couple other tickers, PETV. That's something that's definitely on watch as we look for the gap to start to be filled. Then we have Airbnb. Nice reaction out of after earnings. It's moved over the $200 level, so it's definitely breaking out. Has a all-time high at 219, and so that's definitely going to be on watch. And then PFMT. PFMT is a financial services company. So as we have earnings that is coming up here on Tuesday, so we're looking for some volatility out of that on Monday. And so we'll again shoot us a message. We'll get into more detail as the days come up, and again we monitor that and keep track of the price action. A couple others here. Redbox. Redbox, we're looking for a continuation. There's a pretty lofty price target on Redbox, so a nice spike, and the chart is forming the nice level of support at around 1550. So we're going to keep continue to watch that and trade as we go here. So that's it for us. It's a quick overview of kind of what we're looking at. Please hop in our Discord, shoot us a message, let us know how we can help you, and don't forget to look out for that watch list. We post it every day before the market opens, so you can get an idea of what we're looking to trade. And we have our live trade alerts and other things where we can review portfolios and more to just help traders and investors alike. So definitely follow, subscribe, and thanks for tuning in to Freebase. All right, we're at Freebase on all platforms. So have a great weekend, guys. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you soon.